Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by rehydrating the dry fish so it softens and loses excess salt. This preserves flavor while reducing grit. Once done, reserve the soaking water for later seasoning. While the fish soaks, heat 2 tablespoons palm oil in a heavy pot and sweat chopped onion, tomatoes, and Scotch bonnet until soft. This builds the aromatic base. Make sure to have your cocoyam or yam prepped if you want a natural thickener, because it blends into a silky texture later. You now combine the palm nut extract with the sautéed aromatics so the soup can emulsify and carry flavor. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the oil to rise and coat ingredients. Once it's gently boiling, add the drained dry fish and the reserved soaking water to recover any lost flavor. Make sure to fold in the blended cocoyam or yam paste gradually, adding 1/2 cup at a time, because that controls viscosity and prevents lumping while enriching mouthfeel. You finish by folding in leafy greens just long enough to wilt them and keep color vibrant. This adds freshness and lightens the soup. Once the greens are in, taste and adjust seasoning with salt, a teaspoon of bouillon, or a tablespoon of ground crayfish for depth, then simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and remove from heat. If the soup looks too oily, skim the surface. If it's too thick, make sure to add warm water or reserved stock a little at a time until you reach the right consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.